Hello friends and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to start with a new series, which is the room/desk DIY organization. So it is also a kind of DIY recycle updo, so take it as you want. So without further ado, let's get started with our first video of the series, which is a DIY desk organizer with boxes. So let's get started. So to make this DIY desk organizer with boxes, you will need a shoebox, boxes of different sizes, a tissue roll, glue, decorative paper, a scissor or cutter. So this is by far the easiest box I ever made. So you need to start by wrapping the main box, that is the shoebox, with a thick Bristol paper, and then you need to match and kind of place the small boxes in the box itself so that they fit and there's no gap in between. And then once you're done with the arrangement of the small boxes in the big box, you need to cut them to the length of the shoebox for uniformity. Afterwards, you remove them and then you place them, you wrap them with a decorative paper, and then you glue them to the box. And of course, then you can decorate the shoebox accordingly to your taste and to your desk. If your desk is white, you keep it white. If it is a colorful room, you keep it the way you want. I chose this one because I thought it would be good, and I had it on my hand, so that's why. So I personally found it super practical, and so many of my stationery fits in this one box. It is so much easy and hassle-free. Who knew such boxes could make our life a little bit more organized? So this was the first segment of our series. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun to do it. It took me about, maybe I would say, a solid 15 to 20 minutes to do all of them. But the end result is so nice and beautiful, and the main point is that it allows me to fit and organize my stationery so well into it. It is a huge box, not that huge, but it is a big box, and I feel like my table looks more organized with it. So I hope you guys are going to try it out. I think it is a great way for your kids as well, and for you adults as well. So yeah, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next. And also do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the little notification bell. And yeah, till next, take care.